Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Piyush, and in this video we'll be talking about the relevance of cloud and DevOps certificate. Who need it, who doesn't need it, what is the relevance of it, does it help with the job search or not, or does it help with the role transition, or this is just a piece of paper. So we'll talk about every pros and cons that is there to talk about, and we'll try to keep it short and crisp without any irrelevant information. So it's gonna be a short video, so stay tuned till the end and I'm sure you will find it helpful. So if we talk about the cloud certifications or the DevOps certifications, it had a lot of value related to job prospect back in 2015-16 that time. In 2024, however, doing just the certification would not be sufficient to get you a job or for the career advancement. So who does not need a certification? Well, if you have your own company or if you are an experienced professional with many years of experience, and not all the roles require certification. For example, if you are a cloud developer or if you are aiming for a cloud developer role, you need to focus on your development skill in cloud. You need to build some cool serverless projects. You need to focus on the skills that will help you build that project. So focus on those projects, and you should not be focusing on certification. And who actually needs the project? Let's say if you are a fresher who are still in college and trying to get your first job into cloud or DevOps, or if you are someone from a non-tech background and you are trying to transition into cloud and DevOps, or if you are transitioning from any other role into cloud or DevOps. So sometimes organizations also have this strict requirement of getting their employees certified in certain certifications as part of their training curriculum. So then also you need certification. And if you are a freelancer, then you definitely need certifications to shine your profile on that particular platform that you are using. If you have already a lot of clients, then you don't need it. But if you are trying to build your repo and you're trying to establish yourself as a independent contractor who is new to any platform, then yes, certification will definitely. Well, if that is the case, you might be wondering why I did so many certificates. I have 16 plus cloud and DevOps certification in all three clouds: AWS, Azure, GCP, Terraform, then Jenkins. Yes, Jenkins also have certification. I didn't know that. I got that voucher from somewhere from attending some trainings, so that's why I did that, but it has no significant value. Other than that, I also have CKA, Certified Kubernetes Administrator, which I did around 4-5 years back. It might have been expired by now, but yes, I have a lot of cloud certification and I try to keep myself updated. I try to do as many as one because my employer reimburse it, so I don't have to pay anything out of my pocket. There is nothing for me to lose other than just spending some time on learning and getting myself certified. So that's why I do it. Other than that, it provides me a well-organized learning plan, the roadmap to learn a specific domain or a particular cloud. For example, if I want to have a 100-foot overview of GCP services, then how do I know which all services I should learn and to what depth I should know it? Right? So that's why I would go with the associate level GCP certification, which will provide me 100-foot overview of all the services that are there to know as part of building your foundational knowledge in GCP. So it really helps providing that learning path, and it's by the cloud provider itself, so you can rely on that. But having a lot of certification does not mean you are skilled, or does not mean you have all the necessary knowledge and company should hire you. According to Dr. Feynman, you can have a PhD and still be an ED. So don't be that idiot. Focus on certification, but at the same time focus on your skills, focus on your hands-on project as well. So does that mean should we all do the certification? I would say do what is relevant to the role that you are aiming for. For example, certification helps you get your resume shortlisted if you are applying for an interview or you are looking for a change, and you actually get a job based on your skill, your experience, and what you showcase in your interview or what you have built already, right? Certification is just a ticket to your interview, but other than that, it's all depends on all those factors. So certification is not equal to getting a job. There are some certification that I would suggest doing. If you are an absolute beginner to cloud, then start with foundational level certification such as AZ900 for Azure, AWS Cloud Practitioner, or GCP Cloud Digital Leader. If you have some knowledge or basic foundational knowledge in cloud, then go with the associate level certificate as Azure Administrator 104, AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate or GCP Associate Certified Engineer. Out of those certification for AZ900 and for GCP ACE, I already have a video playlist available on my channel, so do check those out. And I'm planning to do certification playlist on some other certification, maybe AZ104 or AWS Solution Architect. So let me know in the comment which one would you like me to go for next, and I will definitely work on it. Having said that, these certifications that we just discussed, these should be enough to get you into the cloud or your first role transition into the cloud. But if you want to grow in cloud, I would suggest doing some additional certifications such as CKA, Certified Kubernetes Administrator. This is really important nowadays. Every company and most of the workloads are running on Kubernetes. So yes, please go for it and aim for a specialty. Like rather than doing all the certification that a cloud provider has, you should aim for a specialty, such as either aim with networking or security, AI/ML, or anything, or such as DevOps. So anything that has a specialization, aim for that specialization, not for the cloud provider, not for going with all the certification. There is no use of doing that. So that is the reason why I did DevOps certification for all three clouds. So I am AWS DevOps certified, Azure, GCP, all three, but I restricted myself to the DevOps domain. So I got some foundational certification, and then I got some associate level, and then I aim for the specialty, that is DevOps, right? So this is what I would also suggest doing. If you are trying to go multi-cloud, or even if you are sticking to one cloud, just aim for the specialty after you got some fundamental and associate level knowledge of. Again, I would like to emphasize on this point that certification alone cannot help you get a job. You should focus on hands-on experience, and certification plus hands-on experience is what makes you job ready. Either you can be a journalist or you can be a specialist, but you cannot be both. So pick the area that you are good at or that you enjoy the most. I'm planning to create another video on how I got 16 plus certifications and how it helped me with the career transition. So comment down below and let me know if you want me to create that video, and I'll start working. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sure this was somewhat helpful, and this would have cleared some of your doubts. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comment section below, and I will gladly answer those as soon as possible. Yeah, thank you so much once again, and I will see you soon with the next video.